Hey everyone, do seeds need light to germinate? Today I'll walk you through a cool science investigation. Let's break this down so you can try it at home or in the classroom. First, let's talk about germination. Germination is when a seed wakes up and starts growing into a plant. That begins under the ground, where it's dark. So do seeds really need light to get started? We're going to find out. Here's what you'll need. 6 small pots, compost or soil. A handful of identical seeds. You could use cress beans or grass seeds. Fill each pot with soil and plant a few seeds in each. Label 3 pots light and 3 pots dark. Water all the pots with the same amount of water. Keep everything the same except light. That's your independent variable. Put the dark pots into a warm, dark place like a cupboard or box. Keep the light pots somewhere warm with plenty of light. Check daily and keep the soil damp. Make a simple table to record sprouts and growth. Don't peek at the dark pots too often, just enough to check. After a few days, seeds in both light and dark pots will start to germinate. Surprise! Seeds do not need light to germinate. They need water and warmth, not light at this early stage. That fits. Seeds usually start buried underground where it's dark. Now about variables: amount of water, type of seed, amount of soil. Those stayed the same. They're your control variables. Only light was different, so any difference is because of light. Fun fact: different seeds take different times to germinate. Asparagus can take up to 21 days. Cress can appear in about 24 hours. Seeds also need a growth medium like soil for support, nutrients, and water. Extra challenge: experiment with water. Extra challenge: experiment with warmth. Scientists think both are needed. Set up 4 pots with different water-warmth combos and see what sprouts. To wrap up, seeds need water and warmth to germinate, but they do not need light, not at first. They're ready to get started even in the dark. Thanks for hanging out, and happy experimenting.